Luxury life you would want to have. Who wants to live a luxurious life? Close your eyes and picture your dream life. Are you winding your way through cobblestone streets in Prague? Or maybe you're in a modern era where money isn't a problem but instead a burden to have. So you just have to buy unnecessary stuff. In today's video, we'll show you some of the most luxurious things in life that you would want to have, cause why not? But before we go any further, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be updated for more quality videos only we can provide. So guys, if you were waiting for the perfect time to seize an interesting video like this, the time is now. Make sure to keep your eyes glued until the end. Alright, if you feel like you're spinning your wheels on attaining that dream breakthrough that will put you on the top, load the game and let's get started. First, I think it's important to define what a luxury lifestyle is to you. Is it a closet full of Chanel purses, expensive watches, partying like Gatsby, getting to sleep in the most expensive suites or hotels? Well, we will show you more luxurious things than that. Luxury is a condition of abundance or great ease and comfort, or something adding to pleasure or comfort but not absolutely necessary. Do you think you don't deserve a luxurious lifestyle? And everyone wants to experience luxurious life even for a day or an hour. If you're ready for the riches, open the bet menu to set your bet on one of these few luxurious things that I'm sure you wanted to have or experience. An $8K suit per night. Imagine laying in bed with fish swimming around your head, dining in the company of manta rays, or bathing with sharks. The new phenomenon of these underwater suits offers you an exciting and unique experience for $8,000 per night. It is a night suit that will mesmerize your evening and allows you to see a crystal clear view of transparent blue water of Ambassador Lagoon and innumerable water bodies on the suit side. Explore one of the most graceful and stylish underwater hotels in the world, the Atlantis The Palm, only to be found in one of the best hotels of Dubai. Here you can sleep, dine, and bathe with the fishes, who seem just as interested in you as you are in them. Of course, guests also have their own private butler, complimentary massages, and access to spa facilities. If you feel the urge to lead the splendor of your underwater palace, simply request a swim with the dolphins from your butler, or if you're feeling brave, take the Predator Dive, which allows you to hand feed up to 14 different shark and ray species. However, if you change your mind and you just want to soak yourself inside, there's a golden bathtub. The world's most luxurious bathrooms are breathtakingly extravagant, with solid gold bathtubs, jewel-encrusted bidet, aquarium walls, and other extremely costly wonders. Take a look at the best powder rooms in the world and experience how the other half likes to soak in luxury. The insanely wealthy gold magnate went one better in 2006 when he installed a showroom loaded with 2 tons of yellow stuff, complete with a bathtub made from solid gold, 24-karat toilets, and gold ingot walls. The cost? A staggering $38.5 million. Who doesn't want to soak in a luxurious bathtub like this? Our next stop is a solid gold toilet with the gold toilet paper. With the gold toilet paper, you can poop or pee in a solid gold toilet. The gold toilet and toilet paper are our next stop, and one of the most stunning. Why not purchase a 2.5 million gold toilet coupled with a 1.3 million toilet paper? If regular toilets aren't enough for you, and yes, this is the real price, we are not fooling you. The most expensive restroom in the world is based in Hong Kong and was built in 2001 by Hang Fung Gold Technology Group. The restroom includes 4-karat gold and jewel-encrusted walls, as well as a solid gold toilet that is never used. This is the world's most expensive toilet paper, and if you buy it, you'll also receive a bottle of champagne as a bonus. So, is this the same as flushing your cash down the toilet? 4-kilogram shirt made of gold. You may like gold, but you probably don't like it as much as this man. And this is how he shows how luxurious it is to wear a shirt made of gold. An Indian textile magnate commissioned a shirt of pure gold for his 45th birthday. The eye-catching garment, made of 18 to 22 karat gold, cost about $266,000 and weighed a whopping 3.9 kilograms. And it wasn't just for a show. The garment was made by a team of 20 artisans at Shanti Jewelers Apparel, Mumbai, Over the course of 2 months and 3,200 hours, it features 7 solid gold buttons and appears to be as stretchy and soft as a regular shirt. As he strutted around in the clothing, the man was flanked by bodyguards. A shirt of gold plus a well-trained bodyguard? Now, it will almost complete your luxurious lifestyle. Rose Gold Private Plane. Take a flight in the Rose Gold Cobalt Valkyrie X, which is poised to be one of the fastest piston aircraft in the world that will complete your collection of luxury things. With a 350 horsepower engine, it fits a pilot and 3 passengers and flies at speed up to 230 miles per hour and has a range of up to 1,150 ground miles. It has lots of bells and whistles, but our favorite part is that the controls are also rose gold. If you're going to own a private rose gold plane, you might as well go all out every now and then. Gold's to go machine. Lastly, if you're in a rush and forgot some bling, well, a German company's got you covered with a shining new invention, the Gold to Go machine. Guarded by armored guards, this glittering ADM spits out 24-karat gold in 320 different forms, from gold bars and coins to wearable jewelry in varying weights. The customer simply has to operate a touchscreen to make his selection, pay with cash or credit, and watch his booty pop out of the machine package in a sweet-looking black case. Alright folks, life is full of choices and most likely you won't ever be able to have everything you want. But with some planning and thinking, you can get some of your desires within reach. Luxury isn't gifted, but it is earned. So in order to earn the lifestyle of optimum comfort and luxury you want, you have to be rich. And someone does not become rich overnight but has to strive to get that pinnacle. And that's it. Are there any other luxurious experiences in your life you've always dreamed about? Share your thoughts down below. We'll surely read your comments about it. Before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up so we can upload more of these videos. Thanks for watching.